if you wish. I think I wrote the first. Oh, it says the first song. I may pronounce it incorrect, but I tried to write it is Unzima Pasopa Uya. What you all just said now.
Let's play it.
Let's play it. Am I that unclear? And then it comes in Zima Macarena.
There's no Macarena.
So that's why I didn't know why you would sing Macarena.
There's no Macarena.
I didn't understand why you'll sing Macarena.
None of the songs sings Macarena.
Let's listen.
Let's start with the first one. Yes. So when he does this, he's preparing a song.
What is a Macarena?
Macarena. Guerrillas.
Oh.
Gio.
Guerrillas.
Mama Gio Magarela.
Oh, Magarela.
Yeah,
I thought
guerrillas.
it's the Macarena. Okay. We've got it.